Hello guys, this is the Elvis board, National Instruments and Elvis II, and this is the LabVIEW software. Okay, now today I have to test the OR gate, two input OR gate, that is the GD74HC32. Okay, and we have studied how to test this IC. Its place here. Its place on the port. Okay. Its place on the jackpot. The Elvis has some functionalities of the 15 volt plus minus 15. This is the power supply of the Elvis National Instruments Elvis II trainer. This is the power supply. Okay, now we have to apply the plus 5 volt and ground for biasing the IC. Okay, first of all we have insert the 5 volt, this green wire, apply here from 5 volt. Okay, this is the 5 volt. This one goes to 15 number pin of the IC, 14 number pin, sorry, 14 number pin of the IC, and the ground, this is the ground pin, insert here, and this wire goes to 7 number pin of the IC. Now the IC is active. Now the IC is active. We have applied the 5 volt on pin number 14 and ground goes to pin number 7. This is the data sheet of the 7432 IC, and you can see that this IC have 4 input, 4 OR gate, and each gate have 2 input. Okay, and this is the truth table. When A and B is the inputs and Y output, A and B is both of the low, then output will be low, and input A and B's or anyone goes to high, then output will be high. You can see that. Next step is how to give this IC 0 and 1 as input. Now we have to apply the input. We use the long sum of the connecting wires. The pin number 1 is the input. Pin number 1, this one is the input, and here is the digital IOs. We have to apply the 0 and 1 of the input of the OR gate from here, and I have connected the input from anyone. I have connected the input digital IO 4. Okay, this is the digital IO, this digital IO 4. Now I have to connect the another pin, digital IO 5. We have to apply this voltage, second pin of the IC. You can see that these are the two inputs from digital IOs. Okay, now we have seen the output on LED. Now we have make a connection from third input. This is the third 3 output of the OR gate 7432, and these are the LEDs. These are the LEDs. LED 1, 2, 3, 4, and something. I have to apply this voltage to LED 1. I have connected this one. You can see that this LED 1. Guys, our circuit has been completed, and we have on the Elvis from here. Now the Elvis is on, and now we have. Let's move to the screen of the software, and where is the digital writer? We have seen this is the digital writer. We have click here. Okay, this is the digital writer. Okay, and I have to apply the inputs on the digital IOs. You can see that digital IO 4 and 5, and I have applied here, and you can see that when our digital pins are connected on the digital IO 4 and 5. Okay, and here is the digital IO of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Therefore, I have to apply the voltages of the 4 and 5, digital IO of the 4, and the digital IO of the 5. Okay, this one, and 4 I have applied 1. Okay. This LED is on. This LED is on. When two inputs, when any one input of the OR gate is 1, then the output will be 1. You can hear that the LED is on. And when I have to apply the both of the inputs of the OR gates is 0, 4 and 5 being used for the input, and we have to apply both of the inputs 0, then this LED off. Now I have, you can see that on the Elvis board. Okay, when any one input I have to turn on, then this LED on, and any input or both of the inputs goes to 0, then LED off, and both of the inputs have moved to 1, then LED on. We can see that the OR gate, we have to test the OR gate today. When the any input of the OR gate from 2 inputs is 1, then the output will be 1, and both of the inputs are 0, then the output will be 0. Again I have to apply 0, 0, and then LED off, and any one input I have to switch to 1, 5 number pin 1. Then you can see that on the Elvis board. Please see this one. You can see that LED is on. Now today's lecture I have verified the 2 input OR gate. This is the 2 input OR gate 7432. Thanks for watching.